Hello. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to receive updates when we upload new videos. Keep watching until the end of the video to see all the interior shots. The Audi e-tron Sportback has ample space for 5 occupants along with their bags. Rear headroom is just 20 mm less than in the Audi e-tron. The rear footwell is virtually level, just a flat step remains in place of the center tunnel. Including the 60-litre stowage compartment underneath the hood, which houses the vehicle tool kit and charging cable, the car offers a total of 615 litres of luggage capacity. Folding down the rear seat backrests increases the luggage capacity to 1,655 litres. The tailgate opens and closes electrically, by foot movement as an option. The interior of the Audi e-tron Sportback is an elegant lounge featuring a seamless blend of design and technology. A generous arc that spans the instrument panel, extending from door to door, harmoniously integrates the cover for the Audi virtual cockpit. Its sleek display stands visually free in space. The wraparound in the door trims also integrates the screens for the optional virtual exterior mirrors. The instrument panel with its 2 touch displays is angled towards the driver and therefore particularly ergonomic. When deactivated, the upper of these blends almost invisibly into the large gloss black surround. Open sidewalls at the center tunnel console emphasize the impression of lightness. In every equipment line, along with the basic line, there is the interior design selection and S-line interior. The Audi e-tron Sportback features carefully coordinated upholstery materials, colors, and inlays. For the front seats, customers can choose between the standard design, sport seats, S-Sport seats, and the customized contour seats, with optional ventilation and massage functions. The stitching pattern is reminiscent of electric circuits and can be enhanced with optional bright orange contrasting stitching and piping. Little details create highlights. The optional contour ambient lighting package illuminates surfaces subtly and edges sharply. It also issues a brief welcome jingle over the audio system when the motor starts. When the Audi e-tron Sportback is driven in an urban setting, its interior remains almost completely silent, thanks to sophisticated soundproofing and aeroacoustic measures. This ensures that hi-fi sound is even more enjoyable, especially with the optional Bang & Olufsen premium 3D sound system on board. It allows the music to be enjoyed precisely how it was recorded, without any artificial effects. Another attractive infotainment module is the Audi phone box, which sets benchmarks in terms of connection and sound quality as well as wireless charging. Palpable and comprehensible, the operating concept as with all full-size class models from Audi, the e-tron Sportback also features the MMI touch response operating system with 2 displays. A tactile and acoustic pulse confirms when a finger activates a function. On the upper 12.1-inch touchscreen, the driver controls the infotainment, telephony, navigation, and dedicated e-tron settings. The lower 8.6-inch display is used to input text and to operate the convenience functions and climate control. The menu structure is intuitively logical and flat in the same way as a smartphone. The graphics are clear and condensed.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Subscribe to Auto TV.